Morning, one of those days. So it's Wednesday the 3rd of October and it's currently 8 minutes past 10 in the morning. I've been awake for a while. I didn't get to sleep until give or take 2 o'clock this morning. And then I woke up again pretty much every hour. I was awake before Duncan's alarm went off this morning. I have a banging headache, can you tell? I feel nauseous, I feel weak, my eyes are blurry. I kind of really need these on so I can see you guys, but they don't fit underneath my glasses, so I can't really see you guys. I'm hoping it's in focus. Yeah, today's not a good day, but the show will go on. Just a slight change of filming plans for the day. I'm going to film something really simple. I'm going to film some origami. Did I say film or film? I have no idea. I'm filming some origami. Still Halloween based. It's one of the easiest, cheatiest forms of creating different characters you could ever get. You literally use different coloured paper. The basic shape's the same. It's traditional Japanese origami, the water balloon. Some people call it the water bomb, but I think the original name was water balloon. Not 100% sure. But it's been around since beginning of origami, really. So it's traditional, there's no copyright on it, and you are allowed to recreate them. I've checked multiple origami sites to check this. Because those who don't know, origami is a huge thing, and there's a whole bunch of organisations around the world who monitor and collect origami stuff and the info and the copyright, so you can. And yeah, so I've checked they all agree that traditional origami, if you find the proper list of traditional origami, is copyright free and you are free to use it however you want. You can even write your own books about it. So I'm gonna do a lot of traditional origami because I still haven't heard back from the guy that I wanted to do one of the pieces on. I still have one that I do have permission for, but I haven't heard back from the one that I wanted to do another one on, so I'm gonna have to wait a little longer. He's Italian, maybe he doesn't understand. But he does have an English section in his site, so hopefully someone will see it and respond. Maybe they're really busy. I don't know. But, oh well. Anyway, yeah, so I'm going to do the origami today. I'm slowly working through my origami paper supplies. I've just opened a new pack because I need some of the colours out of this pack because I've already used them in this pack when I'd done the previous origami. These are supposed to be stock for the shop, but I'm out of personal origami paper, so I'm now using my shop stock, so I'm going to need to buy some more in. But, oh well, never mind. At the end of the day, I knew it was a long shot that I was going to sell the paper, because not everyone's into origami, but I wanted to have it in there just in case. And if I do get orders, I can order more. I still have a few unopened packs in here. So there's not that I'm out of stock, just out of stock of certain sizes, but most people like to work with the bigger ones when they're starting out anyway, so, oh, excuse me. So yeah, today I will film the origami one to release today, and I have a few, oh, I'm so sorry, I have a few others that are simple ones, so I may get them knocked out today if I'm feeling up to it. Otherwise, I'm just going to knit my jumper and try to get some done on that. But it depends on if this head gets any worse. I'm likely to be into full-blown migraine stages and I won't be doing anything. So, we'll see. I'm really enjoying other people's Vlogoweens, Vlogtobers, just general daily vlogs, whatever it is you're calling your October vlogs. I'm not caught up on yesterday's ones for those who release when I go to bed. Obviously America's different time zone. I think some sections are like 8 hours behind, aren't they? I'm not very good with time zones. But yeah, so there's, I mean, the art Sherpa, her live, I caught the first one, but this second one actually switched over from being the second to the third for the timing for me. Second for her, but it was early hours of this morning for me, so I've missed the lives, but I'll rewatch the playback on that one. I know there's one from Randy I haven't seen yet. Pretty sure there's one from Dana, Tabitha's Treasures, that I haven't seen yet. I'll have to have a look, but I know there's a few people from America I've missed, but I think I've caught up on the UK ones that I watch. I hope. I'll find out in a minute when I go and open up the app and find out. Welcome to all my new subscribers. I'm sorry this one's such a downer. But hopefully I'll be back to happy. Talk, woman, talk. Happy. Chirpy. That's the word I was going for. I was trying to say chirpy and happy and came up with a very different word. But yeah, hopefully I'll be back to my usual boisterous self soon. Usually when it's got to the point that it's this bad, it usually gets really bad really fast and then calms down again, so that I can then carry on as normal for a week, 2 weeks. Sometimes if I'm really lucky, a month or two. Though that's getting few and far between. I want to go and get that daith piercing on both sides, but I don't know where does them around here. But anyway, yeah, so I'm going to get some crafting done no matter what today. It's just how much I get done, how much I get filmed is a different matter. Because I planned on filming this one I'm going to do today and a few of the other ones later on in the month. One, I was probably going to be starting to feel the strain of it all with study. Because obviously my study officially starts on Saturday. But instead I'm just going to film them today. And see if I can come up with some other simple ones or get far enough ahead so that when study does get a bit too much, it's not so bad, you know. That's about it. So I'm gonna go. I'm going to go and drink a peppermint tea and get some porridge, because usually that helps a little, you know, get some proper food, regulate the blood sugar, calm the tummy and the head, and you know, just hopefully that will sort me out well enough to get some stuff done. So I will catch you all later. You take care, and I hope you're having a fabulous day or evening, depending on where you are and when you're watching this. And I will see you later. You take care. Bye. Hi y'all. So it's 9:26 and I had a bath, hence the late finish. Could have done it earlier, but I didn't want to because I was resting. I've been a busy bee today. Some of you might notice there's already a tutorial video out today, but there's already one uploaded and scheduled for tomorrow as well, because that's a good go. And I planned the next one too. So really busy today. So those who have seen the tutorial, see I've done these little things, which are just really simple little origami water balloons that are just then done in different colours, which are quite funky. Can't show you tomorrow's video because I've actually got them hung up out there on the banner. What is with the focus? Yeah, so I can't show you them. The pumpkin pom-poms, you'll see them tomorrow. But I've also got planned, if you remember a while ago when I was changing my lounge around, I found one of my eye pom-poms. So I went for Monster's Bloodshot one. What's the focus? This one's a little messy because I've been throwing it around. But so this will be one of the lessons, all various options and colours. So those will be coming up. I don't know when I'm going to do that one because obviously I don't want to do too many pom-poms next to each other, and I did pumpkin will be out tomorrow. I don't really know what one I'm going to do tomorrow. I've got stuff planned. I just haven't decided which one I'm going to film. Obviously you won't see it tomorrow because I've already got one uploaded ready to go. But I hope to film at least one, if not two more tomorrow, and get them uploaded and scheduled. But I don't know which ones I'm going to do. I'll have to wait and see. You'll be as surprised as I am. I did get a very small amount done on my ribbon. I haven't actually measured it, so I don't know if I'm at the right size yet. But yeah, so not a lot done, but it's getting there. But I did remember this time to bring in the label. So it's Home & Co collection. Basically it's from B&M. And it's the Ombre Luxury 100 grams knitting yarn. There we go. So it's that one. Which is, this one is shade D48. That focusing? I can't see because I'm trying not to have it focus on my face. And of course lights is also a problem. It's D48 anyway, which is basically purple and black. Focus, there we go. Purple. What is it focusing on today? Purple and black. They recommend using a 5 to 6 millimeter needle or hook. So this is, I'm guessing, Allen weight. It doesn't actually say, but I think it's about Allen weight. And it's 72% acrylic, 18% wool and 10% nylon, and it's about 250 meters. Again, don't know if it's going to focus, but we can try. There we go. Is that focusing for you? But it's really pretty. I've got it in green as well, which you'll see later because it will be used on this blanket jumper. It will be used on this jumper as well, so I'll show you that once I add it in. Yeah, so that's about it. Not much to report. I've been busy doing tutorials. I didn't put this tutorial up on my blog or anything. Because it's pretty self-explanatory once you're watching it. I don't really know how to write up origami tutorials. At some point maybe if I work out how to write it up and do the pictures for it, which I might just fold another one, taking a picture at each point and then put photos with written explanations onto the blog at some point. But I think for now the video does a job on its own. It doesn't need to be on the blog. I tend to use the blog for actual patterns that are needed, or less of patterns and more of a recipe of what I've done because I don't know how to write patterns. But I think people get it. If they don't, nobody said anything, so I'm not going to learn until people do say something, so I'll just have to leave it as it is. Yeah, so yeah, that's about it. Nothing else to say. I have doctors tomorrow, so I'll be up early. Hopefully I'll remember to record before I go. If not, I'll record when I get back and let you know how it went. So I'm going to go because it's chilly in here and my hair is still wet, so that makes it even colder. So that is lovely on my head because my headache's going because it's cold. Cold makes my headache better. I'm going to go. I will see you all tomorrow at some point. And I will let you know what I'm doing, because right now I don't know what I'm going to be doing. I'll catch you all later. You take care. Bye!